What are we going to get into today? Well, I've been wanting a taste of pineapple. So today we are going to make a pineapple upside down cake moonshine. Gotta love this, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, but first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Hey, this is kind of like Moonshine Wednesday, remember them? Alright, good deal, good deal. Alright, this is very simple to make and very delicious, so you're not going to want to miss this. Alright, like always, I'll put the ingredients down in the description box, so in case you want to make it. Basically all it is pineapple juice, a little bit of brown sugar, some that Coffee Mate non-dairy creamer, and of course shine, right? Okay, all right, let's get started. I got a nice pot here. Our first thing that we need is pineapple juice. All right, so we're gonna put that in our pot. You guys make sure you shake it up because there is goodness in there. All right, so there's our pineapple juice. All right, we're getting there. All right, the next thing we're going to need is I need 1 cup, and this is light. I'm using light brown sugar because that's sometimes I think with it just looks better. It's what I like. So we're going to use 1 cup of light brown sugar. And I'm going to pour this over the pot because I will spill it. You know what I'm saying? All right, 1 cup of light brown sugar. I didn't pack, so I just add a little bit more. All right. Let me put something on that so I don't spill it. This is a great cocktail. I know it's probably made more for summertime, but you know what? I've been having a taste for pineapple. All right. So what we want to do? Let's just start to heat up. All right. We want to put everything in but the shine. Don't put the shine in it yet. All right. Now the ingredients or the recipe I got, it either calls for 1 quart of real high proof shine, or I'm going to use 2 quarts of, this is 80. All right. So that's what I'm going to use. All right. Pull the lid off that. All right, so the next thing we want to add into our pot is 1 cup of the non-dairy creamer. As I make a mess. There we go. I make a mess. It kind of leaked on me. All right. And all we want to do is make sure all we really need to do is bring this up to a simmer and melt all that brown sugar. All right, let me let that heat up, then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so we warmed this up and let it cool down. And now it's time to mix in our alcohol. Ugh. One. And let me take the labels off of these. I'm gonna just refill that jar up. Okay, let me grab a couple more jars and I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's time just to fill our bottles up, you know what I'm saying? All right. This is going to be delicious. Well, I haven't spilt none yet. I don't know why I've been having been wanting a taste of pineapple. Maybe it's because I want summertime to come back because I'm about tired of this cold. It has been a cold winter. But it is what it is. Oh, the smell is fantastic. You could probably stick a couple cherries in these. That would be good. That's okay. All right, let me get these other two jars. So we got 4.5 quarts here. And I just thought it might be a nice idea to put a cherry in each one, just because I wanted to. It's not in the recipe, but that's okay. Okay. So all we got to do is put some lids on this stuff. All right. And like always, now's the best part. I mean, it looks good. And I'm glad I've used the light brown sugar, because sometimes the dark brown sugar will just make visual just a little bit off. So the light brown sugar did good. Smells like pineapple. All right, let's give it a try. That is good. You give that a jar of that to anybody and you're going to have a friend for life. You know what I'm saying? All right. That is good. That is, wait a minute. That is our pineapple upside down cake. Woo! It's good stuff. All right. Hey, the last thing I got to say is thanks for coming by. I mixed that up. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right.